What if your San Francisco repair shop could hack Google's AI mode? Imagine AI turning casual searches into walk-in customers, instantly. America's Best Shops marketing is unlocking this secret. Picture this. AI predicts what your customers want before they do. It's not magic, it's strategy. Your shop pops up first when someone needs a quick fix. Boom! Suddenly, you're the go-to in the city. Think AI just for tech giants? Think again. Local shops are rewriting the rules right now, transforming clicks into cash. Here's the twist. AI doesn't replace you. It boosts your unique skills like never before. Customers, engaged, profits, soaring. The future isn't waiting. It's here, in your neighborhood, waiting for you to activate Google's AI mode. Are you ready to watch your repair shop dominate San Francisco? Imagine the possibilities. Free traffic, precise targeting, and growing revenue, all powered by AI and America's Best Shops marketing. Don't get left behind. How will you unlock AI's power for your shop today?